Hi Jeff, my name is Shubham Salge and I'm going to present you today a video presentation of our survey and polling assignment. Objectives. Our objectives for this assignments are as follows. To determine how most people want to receive communications about business events, conferences, internal meetings, trade shows, or public festivals. To understand the importance of communication tools in the event process, and to examine the effectiveness of the various communication tools mentioned. Methodology. Online survey or internet survey is one of the most popular data collection sources where a set of survey questions is sent out to a target sample and the members of the sample can respond to the questions over the World Wide Web. Respondents receive online surveys via various mediums such as emails, social media, etc. Hence, we thought it would be a good medium to conduct this inquiry as it saves time. The respondents don't have to be physically present in order to give their opinions, which is one important advantage taking into consideration the current COVID scenario. For this survey, we developed a 10-question survey instrument through Google Forms to collect both quantitative and qualitative data from respondents. Questions were designed based on the form of people's daily communication and the experiences of receiving communication from an event. The survey was conducted online, distributed to respondents through Facebook and WhatsApp groups and email. The format for responses includes yes or no questions, multiple choice questions, that is with and without multiple answers, and open short answer questions for individual comments. Questionnaire. Here are some of the questions from a questionnaire. What is your favorite form of communication? How do you usually hear about an event? What is the first place you go to when you want to know more about a particular event? Do you think communications have an impact on the level of your participation to an event? Have you ever taken part in Twitter conversations or joined event related Facebook groups to engage within the community? Communication tools. This slide talks about the various forms of communication tools, and they are as follows: emails, telephone, text messages, messenger, conversation. All these forms have evolved over the years and the people's preference keep on changing. Moreover, each of these provide their own unique purpose in the life of an event when it comes to providing the necessary information. Survey analysis. The sixth and seventh slides showcase bar graphs and pie charts for the questions that are mentioned above in the fourth slide. After going through different communication tools, let us take a look at how the respondents usually hear about an event. As you can see in this bar graph, majority of the people get to know about business events through LinkedIn followed by emails, whereas conferences are mostly informed through event or company websites. Respondents received information related to shows through LinkedIn and word of mouth. Public festivals are mostly conveyed through social media platforms, and internal meetings were made aware through word of mouth and professional associations. 57.6% respondents preferred to go to event website and 42.4% respondents preferred to go to a social media platform for more information about a particular event. When asked about if they felt communications had an impact on the level of participation of an event, a whopping 97% of respondents agreed to it. Only 39.4% have ever taken part in Twitter conversations or joined event-related Facebook groups to engage with the community. Personal learnings. According to me, in the initial stage, event organizers should focus on communicating the information about the event thoroughly and in detail to the audience at large, as people prefer getting the information about the event before signing up for it. I have also understood that using the right communication tools will help the event organizers fetch a larger crowd than usual by providing the audience the necessary information. Communication is a two-way process, hence the event organizers should also ensure to use different feedback mechanisms from their attendees post-event in order to understand the expectations from the event. This will enable the event organizers to use that information and implement the necessary changes into their communication process or the working of the event as a whole. Therefore, I will now conclude and highlight how communication plays an important part in the life of an event because it bridges the gap between the event organizers and their target audience. Thank you.